Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix runtime error. Let's fix that issue guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Opens up a command prompt window. You just want to right click on it and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just want to check my video description for these two commands guys. Copy it and paste it in. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, edit and paste it in guys. Press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification need to get 100% guys. Wait for it. After finishing this first command, you just need to copy the second command guys in my description. You just need to copy it and tap the bar, right click, edit and paste it in. After pasting it, press enter. This also need to get 100% guys. This percentage also need to get 100%. Wait for it. This verification also need to get 100% guys. After finishing this, close out of here and restart your PC. You should good to go guys. So problem has been resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.